What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $1,000 online with the set and forget strategy, as well as this amazing blueprint that I've been using to generate about $1,000 per week. I'm going to show you proof of exactly all my earnings from this and exactly how you can do this. So I've actually been using this crazy trick with Google Maps to make plus minus $1,000 a week online. You can do this once a day. You can do this once every couple of days. You can do this as a side hustle, as a main hustle. You can do this whenever you want to. It's all online and you're not going to have to deliver or ship anything, unlike drop shipping or anything like that. And if you think about it, millions of people and millions of businesses all around the world are using Google Maps every single day. It's pretty much just a gold mine sitting, waiting there, ready to be made with money online. So I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to make money with this using Google Maps. Like I said, I'm going to show you all my earnings and proof from this. But I also want to let you know on a disclaimer, I actually created my own product to sell with this on Google Maps. It's my own digital product that I created. Don't worry, you don't have to create your own product. I'm going to show you both ways, the perfect product to create, or you can just use an affiliate product that's already made for you and you just get a commission of selling that. The reason I created my own product is because 100% profits are mine, whereas if you're an affiliate for a product, you might only be getting 50 or 60% commissions on each sale. So you're not making as much money, but it's easier. Everything's done for you. So I recommend the affiliate product if you're more of a beginner. But guys, we're going to get straight into this. So all of these methods that I showed you, how I'm getting paid on Google Maps, etc., is all paying via PayPal. So I've got my balance to over $1,000 this week so far. An extra $541 in the last couple of days still pending. Sometimes PayPal takes about 7 days to actually clear a payment through. And I just have to cover out all the names, as a lot of these names are personal names that I don't have really permission to show on public on YouTube. But just to show you a couple of these minuses over here, like purchases I made and withdrawals to my bank account. But over here are credit orders of $297, $297, a product I sold for $97, $397, $297, $476.40, $357.20. So I'm getting different sales all the time. The 17th of June, 16th of June over here, and 16th of June, 11th of June, 7th of June. So I'm getting sales on a regular basis, plus minus $1,000 a week. I just want to show you that this is my live PayPal account, not a screenshot or anything like that, as you know, some people online show these like screenshots. You don't know where they got it from, but just to show you, this is my live PayPal account and I have indeed earned from this. So what we're going to do is we're first going to come over to Google and we're going to search. We can search anything, any company name, and then their location. So I'm going to go digital marketing. Let's go Port Elizabeth. So you want to put the niche of the company and then a city name. I'm actually going to use my local city. And over here, you can see tons. If I click on view or actually click on Google Maps over here, you can go and find, there's plus minus 30 of them here. Digital marketing companies on Google Maps in Port Elizabeth, which is where I stay. Now we can actually go and make money from all of these businesses. Now if you think about it, there's hundreds of thousands of cities and towns around the world and over 150 odd countries around the world. So there is literally infinite businesses on Google Maps and people on Google Maps to use this strategy with. So there's no excuse to struggle and not get traffic with this. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to, for example, let's take Crackerjack Advertising and Design. We're going to click on their website over here. I'm just going to actually open it in a new tab. I just want to go back quickly. You can open up one or two businesses if you want to as well. I'm going to open up Waveform Digital Marketing, going to open up their website. And let's just keep to these two websites for now. And now that we've got these two websites loaded up over here, okay, so this website's still under construction. Let's just use this website. Now that we've got them open over here, we want to leave this open in a new tab. You want to come over to Google and you want to search Facebook Pixel. That's Facebook Pixel. Click on, it should be extension. Okay, let's just type in Facebook Pixel extension. Search Facebook Pixel extension. Click on that's it. That's it. The Facebook Pixel helper on the Chrome store. I've already added mine to Chrome. You just want to click on add to Chrome over here and it will install to your Chrome browser. Once you've done that, you'll see on the top right of your browser, the Facebook Pixel is now loaded over here. Now, what you want to do is you want to come back to this website of Crackerjack or whichever company you've chosen of Google Maps. Click on the Facebook Pixel over here. Just reload the page. Just first reload the page. Click on the Facebook Pixel and you can have a look here. So this website automatically has a Facebook pixel installed already. So we can't actually go and use this website because they've already got this Facebook pixel in place. That's fine. You come back to Google Maps, move on to the next website. Let's go to Haystack SEO Digital Marketing. I'm going to open their link or their website in a new tab, and we want to do the same thing. So over here, you can see this will load. If I click on Facebook Pixel Helper, you can see that there are no pixels found on this website at all. So this is a perfect company to use. There's no pixels installed, and we can actually go and target them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Get Started over here. Or contact. I suggest rather choose contact. Sorry, I thought the Get Started was a contact page. And over here, you can see they've got an email, they've got a telephone line, and they've got a send message section. And in a nutshell, what this Facebook pixel does, it's a little code that Facebook gives you to kind of record everybody that comes to your website. When those people leave that website and they go onto Facebook at night, you know, to watch videos or like personal family photos or etc., they will actually get retargeted ads from this company. So if you ever wondered how, when you're Googling online, for example, flight tickets, and then at that night, Facebook or something retargets you with flight tickets, and you're wondering, how did Facebook know? Well, Facebook code, the Facebook pixel, is how they track you and how they know you were interested in a specific topic. So they retarget you with those ads. So that's what a Facebook pixel is. And a lot of businesses can use the Facebook pixel to retarget traffic, to get that traffic back to their business, to offer them some kind of special deal or some kind of one-time offer to get them back to their business and through the door of their business to get a sale. So there's two ways that you can go about this. If you want to make the most money, that's doing it myself. You can come over to udemy.com, just click on online courses. There's a whole bunch of free courses over here. Search Pixel, just search Pixel on the search bar, click on enter over here. Okay, you actually want to search Facebook Pixel. And you just want to click over here on the free courses over here of Facebook Pixel. And you want to go and take one of these courses on Facebook Pixel. So for example, this free Facebook ads course that will teach you about the Facebook Pixel. You want to learn how you can do it yourself. If you're lazy and want to outsource this, you can come over to fiverr.com and just search Facebook Pixel, for example. And over here, you can pay experts online. Let me just turn this into dollars. It's currently in rands. For example, $10 to set up the Facebook pixel for you, and you can charge that company, for example, $40 and keep $30 in your pocket. But obviously, if you have the knowledge to do that yourself and you're selling the service for, let's say, $100, all that $100 is yours, and you don't have any expense on that because you don't have to pay anybody on Fiverr. So those are the two ways that you can go about this, is running a Facebook pixel ad for these different businesses on Google Maps, because, well, they're missing out on a lot of business. This Facebook pixel can get them a lot of potential clients through the door of their business. So if you're a complete beginner, you have no idea what you're doing, you can go and use Fiverr to outsource that Facebook pixel. But what I suggest is go and message them. Go type over here, for example, your full name, type in your email over here, type in your number, and your message you want to type, "Hi there, Haystack support team. You can say, I've just recently noticed that your website does not have a Facebook pixel installed and you aren't running any Facebook ads to get current visitors on your website through the door of your business." Then you can go along the lines and say, "Me and my team charge $30.99 to set up a," well, obviously you want to maybe put it in their currency, so $39 is about 500 Rand. You can say to them, "We charge 500 Rand to set up a Facebook pixel and a done for you ad to retarget to visiting customers on your website that may not be interested in your service now, but when they go onto Facebook at night, they will get retargeted with our one-time offer that will get them through the door of your business. Let us know if you're interested in this offer. We can collab up and maybe look at getting more customers through the door of your business." And you just send it through to them. You can even phone them if you want to, if you've got the confidence to do that. If you don't, just send them an email. And the great thing about this is you're going to have businesses that are going to say no, but you will get some that are going to say yes. And the best thing is there are so many businesses in so many different niches you can do this with. You can do this with fitness companies. You can do this with gyms, dentists, malls, food shops, restaurants, any single thing that you can think of. I suggest just go into Google and search best business niches. And what you want to do is you want to scrape through all these different niches in your local town. And you can move from town to town and move from city to city and go and try this with every single business in pets, dating businesses, beauty treatments, hair salons, you name it. Massage businesses. You can do this with so many different businesses using this Facebook pixel to get tons of clients through the door of their business. And do remember, when your potential client over here on Google Maps pays you that $40 for your Facebook pixel service, they're going to pay you first. So you are first going to have that $40 in your pocket. So you don't need to go and purchase the service off of Fiverr first. So this $10, for example, you don't need to go and take out of your pocket. You can go and use the $40 your client gave you, and now you're remaining with $30 profit. So just to quickly show you what kind of service provider you should look for, there's a couple of things you need to look out for on Fiverr. First of all, have a look at their reviews. So for example, they got 5-star reviews over a total of 222. Actually go and click on them. You can see how many orders they currently have in queue. He's level 2, so he's been here for a long time. And you also want to pay attention to how long they've been a member. So this guy's been a member for close to 3 years now, 2 years now. His latest delivery is 3 hours. His average response time is 3 hours, which is really quick. So he has a lot of experience. He's been doing this over 2 years and he's a level 2 already. So this is a good guy to go and use the service with. And once you're happy with the service, stay loyal to one guy because obviously you're happy with him, and don't move to someone else. And what you can also do over time, you can go and scale and create your own website or own business landing page where you can sell your service through your website and actually get paid through your own checkout. Now, this is a landing page over here I created with a tool called Builderall. If you want to get all of these templates, tons, close to about 200 of them done for you, funnels, done for you, templates already made for you, you can actually go over to the first link in the description. You will get all of that for just $1. That's just $1 your first month. And you can get access to all of this, create your own landing page, and you can actually leave a link to your website in these messages so people can actually see your website. And when they see a good looking website, it really boosts your brand and your professionalism and increases the chances of you getting more sales. But what I'm going to do, guys, is in order to help you out with copying or importing your own landing pages, I'm going to leave a playlist for you guys over here on Builderall. It will give you a ton of free trainings on Builderall that I've created on YouTube. There's over 50 videos in this playlist. People charge hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars for this on places like Udemy. This is all for free on YouTube. So go and check out this playlist if you want to learn how to create your own landing pages like this and actually sell real services through real funnels, not spamming affiliate links everywhere or doing surveys to make money online. This is a real business model and building real e-commerce pages. So go and click on this playlist over here. It will really help you out. And I just quickly wanted to announce this person on the screen over here is the winner of today's $20 giveaway winner. Well done to you. Just send me a DM on Instagram. I will leave my handle on the pop-up with your login to your YouTube channel or like a screenshot that of you logged in so I can see it's your channel. And from there, I'll send you the $20. But without further ado, guys, click on the playlist over here and I'll see you over there.